Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today we are going to learn a new technique, a simple technique for intraday trading. This is only for intraday trading. You can use this technique for stocks, futures and index, Nifty and Bank Nifty also. The strategy is simple. The strategy what we are going to see is we are modifying the Bollinger Band. You all know the Bollinger Band. So straight away we will go and see how we have to trade and how we have to modify the Bollinger Band, right? So I'm not using any software. Simply I'll go to investing.com website. There I'll have a technical chart. I'll show you how we have to do that. This is investing.com website. Here you can see this indices commerce. You click on any one of this. This will come like this. So here you'll see the technical chart. So this is the technical chart. Here is the technical chart. There are a lot of advertisements will come here. This chart you can make a bigger one. So this is the investing.com website. This is the chart. Here you can type this script or index. I am going with a Nifty, right? So this is the Nifty 50, right? So this is the Nifty chart. So what we'll do, this is Nifty chart. So this is a daily Nifty chart. So now we have to add the Bollinger Band. So this is the Bollinger Band. So what is this Bollinger Band? So simple readings, this is the default readings is 20,2. That means this red line is the 20 period moving average, and this upper and lower bands are 2 standard deviation. It's a mathematical calculation. So from here, this is the 2 standard deviation upside, 2 standard deviation lower side. So I am modifying these settings. Very simple. I am not changing the length, that is 20 period I am not changing, and I am just removing the median, that is a 20 period moving average I am removing. So I remove this, and here the multiplication is this multiplication means that is a 2 standard deviation from the mean. So what I am doing is I am modifying this 2 standard deviation to 0.382. The reason is 0.382 is a in Fibonacci. This is also very important ratio. In Fibonacci ratios, 38.2% is very critical and important ratio. So that's why I'm using this here, 0.382, and say OK, right? So you got this type of band. So this is the daily chart. Now for intraday, we are supposed to use 15 minutes chart. So I am plotted 15 minutes chart. So what I will do is, my trade plan is very simple. The 15 minutes candle should close above the band. If the price closed above the band, I'll buy here. This is my buying area. The candle should close above this band, and keep a stop loss the candle which closed below the band. Simple technique. You have to buy if the price closed above the band and keep a stop loss below the band. And simultaneously, if the price breaks and closes below the band, sell and keep a stop loss above. In this scenario, the profit taking should be 1:2 or 1:3. The maximum 1:3 you can take as a profit, and you calculate where you are putting your stop loss, and you suppose you are making a stop loss of 20 points, you aim for at least 40, 45, 50, whatever it may be, more than 40 points. Whenever you get 40, 50 points profit, if you are trading one lot, you book your profit. If you are taking a multiple lots, you take out one lot profit and remaining trail your stop loss. That is the most important. Friends, once again I am telling, only the change you have to make is you remove the mean value, that is a 20 period value, and change the 2 standard deviation to 0.382. If you are interested to back test, you can back test. Here you may get stop losses, but the winning ratio is very high. So only on 15 minutes chart you should be very patient. You have to wait until the candle closes above or below the channel. So this is the important thing you have to note down. So with this technique you can make everyday profits in trading Nifty or Bank Nifty. Even you can use Bank Nifty, you can use stocks, anything. So this is a Bank Nifty. You see here broken the this one channel, the Bollinger Band, the band low broken and the fallen. So here if you see, this is the high and it made a high, and still it is in an upside, it is not broken down, right? So this you can enter before 3 p.m. on any day. After 3 p.m. just ignore, because there won't be much time to trade for after 3 p.m. for intraday. Intraday better trading time is in the morning, around 9:45 to 10:30 is the best time where you can enter your position. So in that period, if you get opportunity, you can trade. So this type of time, sometimes you will get some stop losses, but don't worry, the stop losses are small. Whenever you get an opportunity like this, you will get more profit. So if you get 10 stop losses here, the total 10 stop losses, your loss may be 150 or 200 points. But once you get this type of things, 100, 150, 200 points, one stretch you will get. So don't worry about the stop losses and follow the rules strictly, and according to that you can trade. So you can see some stocks also. I am showing you Reliance. This is see the Reliance. Here you can see the fall, consolidation. It has not given here because the candle not closed above this. Here the candle closed, right, and given a profit, and again here candle closed, this candle not closed, the candle closed inside this band. So here the candle closed here and given a decent profit. Here if you see, the candle closed here and went up. So the important thing is you have to wait until the candle close. This is not the trade, because this trade is at 3:15. Here if you see, this is around morning around 9:30 or 9:45 time, this candles, it has given a decent up move. So better time is 9:30 to 10:30 is the entry time, the best time. In that particular time you get an opportunity, you can trade this type of technique. So thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll come up with one more new technique in the coming videos. Thank you.